I know. It's been a long since I posted. Right now, I'm officially 11 years old. I am so excited and I missed you guys so much. I've been really into slime lately. Slime is like so much fun. So, the things you will need to make slime is glue, any kind of glue, like it could be school glue or like glue for slime. I got like just the regular Dollar Tree glue. Activator or contact solution. Color dye, but make sure it's dye that like you got from like a slime kit or something. Because if you do food dye, then it gets all over your hands. Oh boy. And you don't need this. This is optional, but I have some scents. They don't really work, but we have some strawberry scent, vanilla scent, and chocolate scent. And then, if it doesn't stretch good, then you need some lotion. And then this is totally optional. I have to do this because my mom won't let me keep slime if I do this. So this is soft clay. Yes, it's pretty disgusting right now. There's some stuff on it. So this is soft clay. Make sure you keep the bag closed or it won't get soft anymore. So guys, I didn't mention this, but this can get really messy. And I forgot to mention a bowl and a spoon. This can get really messy. So you should have a placemat. Unless your mom is okay with having slime all over her table. I know my mom won't be okay with that. The step one is you're gonna have to put in glue. I want to make a gigantic slime. So I am going to do all of this glue. That's not me, that's the glue. Step 2 is to put the lotion in. It depends how much you want. I bought this the other day. Yeah, that's as much as I'm gonna do. And then I guess I'm gonna stir it, like you don't really have to, but I want to. Step 3 is to put dye in it. Well, food dye. Not food dye, like slime dye. Okay, I can't wait to see the color. It's so pretty, the color. This is mint green. Oh, that is beautiful. I might add it a little bit more. So I'm almost added it. It's not that pretty. Okay, well that's as much as I could get. I guess it's a little bit pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. I guess I'm gonna add like maybe strawberry. This isn't actually a step. I'm just doing this for fun, so yeah. But this is strawberry scent. I'm gonna add a whole bunch because I want to see what's gonna happen because it usually doesn't have a bunch of smell. So let's see. Step 4. I'm only adding a lot because I want to see what will happen. Okay. As it forms into slime. I hate this part. Okay. until it gets thick enough. Like, you see my slime right now? It is getting super thick. Okay, guys. See how good this is now? Okay, so this is the most satisfying part of the slime. My mom doesn't like it. See the clicking sound? And then everyone loves doing that. If you add too much clay, then you can't make a slime swirl. That's what's amazing about it. Okay, and now the most number one thing. You have to put it right here. And Mom, I promise this won't be messy. Let's see if I can make a bigger one this time and a better slime swirl. Guys, what do you think I should name this? Iceboard, because it looks like an iceboard. Now I'm going to try to make a bigger and better bubble. I did not plan for that to happen. I am so happy right now. This slime turned out to be awesome.